friends, what would you do with your new vision?
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
I can see clearly now that the rain is gone. LASIK was such a walk in the park. Thank you, Dr. Parkhurst, for my new vision.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Oh my gosh, let me check her pulse. Does she need CPR? That's why you need new vision, so you can see clearly. No more glasses, no more contacts. Everything is so much brighter. Did you know swimming and glasses don't mix or fun in the sun? But thanks to my new vision, I can finally see. Yay, no more contacts! I got 20/20 and 20/20. Have you thought about LASIK?